Today we are here at Block 97 Jalan 2, District 14. We are in close proximity to the well-known Old Airport Road Food Centre and Dakota MRT station. This property we are selling sits in between two upcoming URA transformations, namely Kallang River Precinct as well as Paya Lebar Master Plan transformation. Come, let's go to the house now.
Hello! Welcome to our humble abode. Come on in. This has been our home for more than 20 over years, the 6 of us staying in this house. So this is a 4-room adjoining. Now, unlike what you normally know, that if 2-3 rooms combined, they usually combined at the hall, but ours is combined at the rooms, right? So this is very unique. Where we are now at, this is the hall of the first unit, and this is the kitchen of the first unit. Quite a decent size. Okay, now where I'm standing is actually the bedroom of the first unit, which we have torn down the wall and turned it into a hall. The second bedroom of the first unit is intact, so you have one bedroom here. And then the first bedroom of the second unit has also been torn down so that you can have a very spacious extended hall. Now, should you need an extra room in future, you can always build a partition to create a study or an extra bedroom, right? Come on. Now, the second bedroom of the second unit is right over there, so it's intact. And you'll be wondering what happened to the hall and the kitchen of the second unit. I'm sure you're curious. Come on in, let's find out. Hello, me again. Come on in. So you're wondering what happened to the hall as well as the kitchen of the second unit. We have transformed it into our master bedroom. As you can see, the kitchen is actually our walk-in wardrobe. And on my right is the toilet, the kitchen toilet, and now has become an ensuite toilet to the master bedroom. And you can see that the wall has been kind of like extended, so the toilet is pretty big. Come on in, check it out. I tell you a little secret. We used to have a jacuzzi in the master bathroom, but we had it removed because no one hardly used it. Now let's check out what happened to the hall of the second unit. As you can see, the hall has been transformed into the master bedroom. And what's unique is it has an ensuite bathroom with access to the toilet, so you can have 2 people busy at the toilet at the same time. We have come to the end of the house tour. My family and I have been living here for more than 20 years. We are very sad to move on, but we are very happy to hand this over to the new owner. So if you are keen, this house is about 1,205 square feet. Do contact our listing agent today.
Thank you, we have come to the end of the home tour. I am Jerry from OrangeTee and Thai, AAG Division. Get real with us.